here coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today's show is going to feature an item that came in an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And this one is the Kenko Food Shinsen spicy noodle or spicy ramen. So 500 mils of water. Dry, wet, or should I say wet. How long do you want? Yeah, 100%, 100%, 100%. 2 to 3. We'll go for 3. 2 to 3 for instant. That's a little weird. So it says what you're supposed to do is once the noodles start to loosen, I've never heard this one. Once the noodles start to loosen, then add in the seasonings. Like, all right. I'll slowly tap on the noodle. Tippy tap, tippy 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 tap, tippy tap, tippy tap. Yeah. So this is going to be a neat episode because everything, almost a big portion of the garnish is all in-house right here in our apartment, which I'm really excited about. So we've got soft-boiled ramen eggs that I literally made like an hour, 15 minutes ago that actually have taken on color in the little Ziploc bag with the soy sauce and water. Homemade chashu and the holy slicer. I did up some nice sliced green onion. So yeah, I'm really stoked on that. So just mainly the eggs and the chashu because that's like, okay, they're getting loose. They're loosening up. A loosey-goosey. Does anybody really say that? Loosey-goosey? You know, I saw something for the first time last night, and now I'm hooked. There's this guy named Justin Wilson, and I've heard the whole thing. I guarantee. I've heard that term, I guarantee. And I found out last night there's a Facebook group called, what is it called? The Wolf Pit. I think the guy who runs it's his name is a wolf. Or is it Facebook or is it, I don't know, but he does stuff that has to do with like weird food and this and that. He's like, those who know will remember this guy. And it's like, I'm not from that part of the country because the guy's Cajun. But I was like, okay, once I listened to it, and the guy's pretty genius. I gotta say, I really like what he does. He's a weird old coot. You're like, I'll guarantee. Oh, when my dog went down there and blah 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 blah. My dog's name is blah 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 blah. That's French for dog. And I don't know. I thought it was humorous. Miles, that's enough of making that horrible sound, please. Okay? No, that's enough. He's making the noise. There's certain noises that I just can't handle over and over, and I've been handling them over and over a lot lately. So here, rotation, a plaid rotation. Oh, up yours, noodles. broth. Kind of a lightly spicy sesame one. Oh, so I was talking to my friends over at Vite Ramen the other day, Tim and Tom, and I was like, hey, I should do a bunch of reviews of your stuff. So to commemorate that, this isn't their stuff that I'm making right now. This is one of the bowls they gave me a long time ago. And when it's too hot, I think it's when it's too hot, it turns white. And when it gets to the right temperature, it turns more that color. I think that's the deal. But this is a really neat bowl, and I don't know if they even make them anymore. I think they were part of their original Kickstarter, which is pretty cool. That's hot noodle. Let's see if it's changing color. I think it does. Here, let's turn up our mood music. So let's start with the chashu. Homemade pork belly chashu. Who just in my ear, in my Bluetooth. I always forget to take this thing out. I probably should. You might consider it rude. I don't care. But she just told me that she loves me in my ear. With her, when I get a text, the text is read. It reads the text to me. Man, what is up with mung bean sprouts lately? I think the transit of the mung bean sprout to the grocer is flawed. These should be just fine. These are getting slimy. They should have 2 days left on them. I don't get it. I would blame that on my local grocer. Sorry, local grocer. I'm blaming it on you. They're weird there. Nice folks. When it comes to mung bean sprouts, they don't know their head from their ass. Don't they know that people demand high quality mung bean sprouts like me? I've gone to the store, got mung bean sprouts, brought them home, and it's like, I know these would be good if I got them elsewhere, and they're not good anymore, and pitched a fit. I've told it to them, they're, oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I'll admit, I have like a psycho illness about mung bean sprouts. The other thing you might not know about me is that if it drives me nuts to cut up a bagel. If that bagel doesn't come out absolutely perfect, sheesh, I lose my shit. I really do. Whoa, 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 what's going on here? No. What up with that, egg? That one did not work well at all. Huh. Now that. Oh boy. That really irritates me. So we're gonna try it this way. Like, there's no reason that should have happened. But I did make 3 on purpose because I didn't want anything bad to happen. happy. Waning happiness. Dual textured. Ladies and gentlemen, check that out. Dual textured spring onion. Just for you. The bountiful beauty of my kitchen. To you. And welcome to the jungle. Okay, let's stop that insanity immediately. Anybody know what's going on with DLR? You know who DLR is, right? David Lee Roth. What's he doing lately? Hope he's doing all right. Really a big fan. Right way, wrong way, good way. Down a little bit. Get a little bit of a nicer view of the ramen. Ladies and gentlemen, ramen noodles, just the way you like them. And let's let Rotato do what Rotato does best. It pains me, but that's all going down the recycle, you know, so it doesn't even get recycled. It goes out. See? Garbage disposal. I'm on a diet. Sorry. But the next one I'm gonna make, ghost pepper curry lontong. 590 calories, dude. I am ticked. Yeah, it's too early. I can't do that. So I'll make a really nice one, and later I'll make another one that I'll actually eat that has nothing added to it. But yeah, stay tuned. Ghost pepper coming up on the morrow. Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.